This is what your little laptop looks like. And the keyboard here, mild-mannered looking, actually hides something underneath. And you remove the keyboard by pulling those little tabs up at the top and taking it off like this. There underneath you can see the eyesight card, which is held in by this little springy thing here. So that comes out by pulling that. Just pop it. You don't have to be too gentle. There we go. And then the eyesight card, you pull on this clear plastic tab. That comes out. And you can set it aside like that. And then see those two little tiny screws. I'm giving you this little jeweler's screwdriver, and there's two little screws in an indented oval. You got to quite hard to get it to unthread. Again, you don't have to worry about being too delicate. So there's screw number 1 off to the side. And screw number 2. Okay. And then this metal plate, it snapped in there. You gotta pull it out. At least it snapped last time. And there you have it. This little thing here is the memory card. Sorry for the jump cut there. Anyways, I've removed it, so I'll show you. It'll be easier. This is what the memory chip looks like. Well, you have it in your hand now. And to put it in, just put it in on an angle and snap it down like this. There we go. It snaps into its own convenient little holder. And then you just do the reverse. Put this metal thing back on, put the plate back in, put the screws back in here and here, reinstall the airport card as it was, face down, numbers like that, snap this fellow in place, and then you're pretty much done. Fairly easy. Oh yeah, and the best part is, if you forget what to do, right here on the back of the keyboard, there's airport card instructions, installation, and then here's how you do the memory. So there we go. Remember, 45 degrees on that keyboard. Anyways, good luck with it, and hope you like the computer.